Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Vader's Kitchen, and I believe you're doing great. Today I want to share with you how I make my authentic Ghanaian rock buns, and it's a popular street snack, and I hope you like it. It's so milky, so soft and fluffy, so go nowhere as always. Stay tuned till the end and be inspired. To support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. Yeah, look at that. This is so beautiful. Lovelies, without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Yeah, so in a bowl I'm adding my all-purpose flour or plain flour. Next, my nutmeg powder for flavor. You can as well use cinnamon powder or any other flavor of your choice. Next, my baking powder for fluffiness, and now sugar. I will then mix everything together until well combined, and in the middle I will create something like a well, and I'll bring in my butter just like this, and I'll go ahead and mix everything together really well. Lovelies, I'll leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out, okay? So I'll create something like a well in the middle again and bring my wet ingredients, and here I've got my fresh whole milk. Next I've got my evaporated milk. Next I've got my vanilla extract for flavor. Okay, and next I've got my condensed milk, and I love the combination of all these ingredients because they made the outcome of these rock buns very heavily. I'm all done, so I proceed to mix everything together until a batter is formed. Yeah. And if it's your first time ever seeing my video, hey, you are warmly welcome. I'd love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Whilst at it, please click on the all option in order not to miss any of my videos. Yeah. So far so good. I love the texture. So next in a tray I'm adding my butter, and I'm applying the butter to all the spots where I'll put in my butter. Yeah. Instead of the butter, you can as well use any cooking oil of your choice. Yeah. And lovely, to support your girl, please don't forget to like, share for others to see, and don't forget to comment on the video for me to know your thoughts about the recipe. So now I'm adding in the butter, and ooh, this is so tasty, very milky, and I love the texture. So far so good. I'm loving everything about this. Ooh, this is so flavorful, and I really hope you give it a try. So now my oven is preheating. I'll send them into the oven to be baked under 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. So we are back, and lovelies, the house smells so good, and you need to be here. Wow, so amazing. I'm so impressed. Very flavorful. And I love the color. It's not burnt. Oh, mamma mia. This is a very delicious rock buns recipe. Now let's check them out. Very beautiful. And we are all done. This is the end of the video. And I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.